Here's the crew getting ready for our Mt LeConte hike. Mountains are calling, people.
We must answer.
The whole crew here is going up to Alum Cave Bluff to look at some really nice rocks. And then those who want to are going on up to the top of Mt LeConte. The mountains are calling, and I must go. John Muir. So one of the things you have to do when you climb Mt LeConte is you have to bring a little rock with you to put on the top of the mountain. So I've got to still get mine. Dylan here brought this fantastic piece of fluorite and calcite that he actually collected in Canada, what, a year and a half ago, am I right? That's fantastic. I'm just going to find a little pebble here on the ground and put that on the top of Mt LeConte. The beginning part of this hike on Alum Cave Trail, it's fairly straight, fairly flat, follows this lovely little stream. The rhododendron everywhere there's rhododendron. I'm sure this hike in July, when the rhododendrons are in bloom, is just astounding. Be covered with pink flowers everywhere. So, beginning stage is pretty simple. Pretty nice hike through the woods without much troubles at all. It is not the mountain we conquer, but ourselves. Sir Edmund Hillary. No matter how the wind howls, the mountain cannot bow to it. The Emperor, Mulan. Great things are done when men and mountains meet. William Blake. We have moved into a much steeper part of the trail. It's a lot more uphill from this point forward. This is a fun spot on the hike where you get another footbridge here and it leads up into this like tunnel of stairs and then gets steep afterward. You got to see this though. More stairs. That's the rock tunnel right there. After you come up the tunnel with the stairs, you get to another one of these little one-arm footbridge things crossing another drainage. So it's just after 11 o'clock. We've been going for about an hour past those stairs of doom in that tunnel thing. We're not too far away from Inspiration Point now. The experienced mountain climber is not intimidated by the mountain. He is inspired by it. William Arthur Ward, if memory serves. We're definitely up in the clouds now. We're not too far from Inspiration Point. It's a little bit misty, spitting at us a little bit. Trail goes on. Well, we are here at Inspiration Point, just about right on over here. This little spot of rock. And on a good day, You can see lots of mountains. Not so much today. We're up in the clouds, which I guess is still somewhat inspirational, maybe. Here at the final ascent for Alum Cave, which is right up here.
See someone I know today. Didn't I say that?
Wesley just ran into somebody he knows. I have no idea who these people are. They got a selfie up right now and I'm bombing them, so I'm gonna get out of the way. Every time we come up here, somebody knows somebody. I don't know how it happens. Well, we made it to Alum Cave Bluff. Most of the group is continuing on to the top of LeConte. Probably not going to do a whole lot more vlogging because this part gets a lot steeper and more challenging. Right now it's not too bad, in a good spot. But maybe we'll roll some B-roll footage as we continue on upward here. Well, taking a bit of a break on this climb. I got the mountain on my right side again. Valley's down there, still nothing but clouds in the sky. I think I'm more than halfway up to LeConte from Alum Cave. It's pretty. Got this little waterfall thing. Would you look at that? Blue sky and sunshine. I actually saw my shadow a second ago for the first time today. Further up and further in. I have finally made it to, well, near the top. The trail is flattened out here, and we're not too far then from where this trail meets up with Bullhead, Rainbow Falls, and get to that lodge that's up here a little bit. So, whew, that was tough. Always is. It was a good hike, and you know, you just power through one step at a time and you keep going. And eventually you make it. Whew. Lots and lots of ice on the trail. This is the junction with the Rainbow Falls Trail right here. LeConte Lodge to the right, Bullhead down that direction. Climb the mountains and get their good tidings. John Muir. All right. This is the cliff tops. This is the view. This is the best view all the way up here. We're not quite at top of Mt LeConte yet, but this is absolutely the best view. It's great. It's amazing. Okay, the moment of truth. Finally dragged my slow self all the way up this mountain. Hey guys, welcome! All the way to the top. Highest point in Tennessee. Congratulations, you made it. All right, so the tradition here is that you bring a small rock to the top of Mt LeConte and you add it to the top. So here we go. Everybody ready? Yeah, whatever. You know, do whatever you want. Uh-oh. It's a competition. Nice. 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 Give me the high five. Who's left? Max, give me the high five. There we go.